Okay, well, I've been taken to court by the London Borough of Ealing for holding a sign from the Bible outside the Mari Stopes Abortion Centre in Mattock Lane in Ealing, which is in the heart of what they call a public spaces protection order, or a buffer zone, where you're not allowed to protest either for or against abortion, or quote certain words, many of which are found in the Bible. So they've taken me to court, which is why I'm here at Uxbridge Magistrates Court, and we're in the middle of the court hearing right at this moment. I was there to protest about the buffer zones themselves, the buffer zone itself. So this idea that the state or the local authority has that there are areas in this United Kingdom where you may not preach the gospel, or you may not use certain words, certain verses from the Bible. I say that's outside their authority to do. And so my particular beef with the Public Spaces Protection Order is that it proscribes words which you find in the Bible. So you are not allowed to use the word soul in the PSPO area. You're not allowed to use the word hell. You can't say kill, and you can't say murder. You can't say mum. Mother, for some reason, is permitted, but you can't say mum. So the proscription of soul and hell means that 480 verses of the King James Bible, which His Majesty the King was given at his coronation back in may not be proclaimed in the buffer zone. So you cannot say, for example, from Psalm 16 and verse 10, "Thou wilt not leave my soul in hell, thou wilt not suffer thy Holy One to see corruption." His Majesty himself could not proclaim that verse in the buffer zone, because it has the word not just soul, but hell in it as well. So I'm saying there should be no place, nowhere in the UK where you are not free to preach the word. Look, if these sort of rights, if you like, rights are taken away, then they're not taken away from me. They take the incremental drift of the law, it ends up taking them away for everybody. So everybody should be concerned about this. It is a freedom of speech issue, and people on the left, on the right, wherever they are, should be concerned about this.